Alright, hi viewers, you're welcome to Coach Ralph YouTube channel. First time, I would like you to click the subscribe button and also click the bell so that you can get notified when I drop my next video. In my videos, I teach how you can make money online and other things that can help you. Like this video, I'll be showing you ways that you can actually get up to 50 subscribers on your YouTube channel and any of your social media handles in a day. Note what I've said. I said that I want to show you how you can get up to 50 subscribers on your YouTube, more than 50 followers on your Instagram, TikTok, and any other social media handles that you have. Now, I would just like you to follow all my steps. It's simple. I have tried this thing. I use this to actually grow my YouTube channel to more than 1,000 subscribers in just few months, and I'm still growing. Now, I want to show you what works for me, and I will want you to do the same. Now, before you move on with this video, if you have not subscribed, please hit the button now and subscribe so that you can get notified when I drop more engaging video that can help you out. And if you get value from this video, I would like you to like, share, comment, right? So if you like this video, to help me to reach more people, and the video will help a lot of people that are looking for subscribers. Now let's get started. So how do you get subscribers, more than 50 subscribers in a day? This is what I did, and I would like to do the same. Now, if you are an influencer or you have people that you lead, you have the tendency to actually for this thing to work for you. How do I mean? Let's say you are leading a particular group of people and you have some people in your inner circle that are following you. Now you have the tendency to achieve this. Even in a day, you can get up to 200 subscribers. Now, this is what I did. Now, some months ago, I have communities on my WhatsApp group, on my WhatsApp. So I actually leveraged on this community. This is what I did. I actually typed a simple content that I'm going to show you. Like I said, I need your help, stuff like that. So this is what you do. Alright, so welcome back. The question of how you can get more than 50 subscribers in a day, I'll just show you a simple step. Now, if you have a WhatsApp and you belong to groups on WhatsApp, you are lucky. And if you are in a group and you are not really active, people don't know you, you may not really achieve this much. But if you have been engaging people on the group, or you have your own personal group that you are in, that you are training people, or you are invited to actually train people and you want to tell them to subscribe to your channel, there's a way to do this. I do this a lot when I have the chance to train people on digital skills. So in a way, I will actually tell them to go to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you how I go about this one at a time. So first of all, let's talk about you leveraging on your WhatsApp contacts. Now, I have a broadcast list where I add all my contacts so that I can reach them at once. I'm sure you know a lot about contacts. Now, I mean the broadcast list. So this broadcast list do help me a lot to reach out to all my contacts, because I can actually chat them one after the other. I have more than 2,000 plus contacts on my phone, which I can't actually reach them one by one. So I have grouped them into their categories. That's one thing you have to understand. I've grouped the youth, the teenagers, the old, the young, so I know what to sell to them, right? This will also help you to know your audience also, so you know what you can sell to them. So now, if you have this broadcast list, you can just do a simple message that will redirect them to your YouTube channel. You can just tell them that you need help with them helping you to subscribe, that you actually applying for something that need you to actually use your YouTube channel to qualify. Now, let's say you want to get monetized, you have to do 1,000k and your watch hour month like 4,000 watch hour. Now, that's like you are actually applying for something. That's what applying for, right? So if you could say that you're applying that, if they can just help you use the link to subscribe. So once they subscribe, just tell them now, please, once you have subscribe, kindly type down so that I can know how to appreciate you. You see, that very simple. Just tell them that these are the days that you need it for. Please, once you have subscribed, kindly help me tiredness so that I can appreciate you. That's one way. The second thing I did was I actually created an offer. Now I have my courses online that I just want to give it out. I just picked like several of my courses. So I did a simple flyer that I actually DM some people, like some people responded, like the same board classes I use that. So I actually DM that I have an offer for you. If you can get me 50 subscribers, I would give you these courses that worth this amount. Now some people do not actually respond to that. I actually had like 5% response, which was actually good for me. Those that responded really did the task. Now from then, some people gave me 40, that Coach Raphael, I can't do more than 40. I give them the course. And people like, Coach Raphael, I can't do more than 20. Okay, I give them the course. So them doing this, I actually there's an added subscriber to my list. So that's one of the things I did. I actually I created an offer. That offer actually bettered me having more subscribers. So that's one side. The other thing I did was if I'm invited to speak on a platform like WhatsApp to teach on digital skills, data marketing, after marketing, how to make money online. This is what I do. I first introduce myself. I start my class. So in the middle of the class, I will also create an offer. Like I said that I have a gift for like 5 persons who are going to react to this now. Now this gift actually worth more than some dollars. Now if you can go to my YouTube channel, use this link and you click subscribe and you subscribe, and you can do the screenshot, send it to my DM. Don't send it to class, forward it to my DM. I have a special gift for you after the class. Now I actually did this so that the class will not be distracted. Some people want to send the screenshot to the class so that I don't want the class to be divided. I will have them that send it to my DM. So I will not want to lay emphasis on so that the convener won't think I'm trying to upsell in the group. So I just make it clear. I will say it once, and by the end of the class I will refer to it again. Now I can have in that class I can have like 40 subscribers from them. Imagine that. So let's say that in a week you have different speaking engagements online that you have to speak on some platforms, and some platforms can have up to like 40 members or so. So this will help you boost your subscriber base. So I did this. I actually did that. So I actually leverage on my group chat too. In some group chats you can't just go there and you send message, they will block you. So I have to use what I call leveraging. You can contact the admin of the group if they will allow you, but some will never allow you because they will think that all this kind of scammers sending links. So you have to use leverage. You have to leverage on people so that you can achieve your aim. So I leverage. When I leverage, I mean that I know some people already. I can just compose a simple content. That's why you have to be a good content creator. It's not what you can always do a day, right? If you just go to someone's DM and you go and send them link, they will block you. They will think you are a scammer that want to, you shouldn't do that. There are ways to do this better. So I will create I followed you from XYZ group. I would like to be your friend, and this is what I do. If you don't mind, save my contact and I save yours so that I can learn from me and you also learn from me. Okay, I found that I'll say, please can you help me do this task shortly? So if that is coming early, I have a YouTube channel. Can you just help me check it up and see how it's going? Simple, right? So can you help me check it up and see how it's going? Oh, please don't forget to subscribe. You just say that jokingly. Now what you just say that you want a review on your YouTube channel, at the same time the person has to subscribe. Please just help me do a review on my channel and at the same time subscribe. And you also help me review my channel and also subscribe, right? So these are the ways I've practiced and that actually worked for me, that actually increased my subscriber base. In less than 3 months I increased my subscriber to 1,000 and I'm still growing to more. Like I have 1,056. It's not easy. Some people will create a YouTube channel in a year, they will not even have up to 50 unless you are creating comedy, entertainment. If you are giving value like I do, it's not easy to get subscribers because people don't really value all this information, or they want entertainment, fun, everything. So they will. Now, if this video is helpful to you, I would like you to comment. You can also add your own if you think there's other way we can learn from ourselves. If you think there's other way we can achieve this, drop your own in the comment section. But if you get value from this video, I would like you to subscribe. Please subscribe. Also click the bell. I want your feedback if this works for you. If it doesn't work for you, you can also suggest what works so that others can also learn and gain what works for you. I hope you can share, like, so that people can reach this video. If you like it, it will reach more people. And please subscribe and share. Thank you.